Okay, loves. So, guys, I come with another gist. So, David attended his first daughter, that is Imade's birthday, after the whole family feud and saga of denying him access to see the baby girl for a very long time. So, now is him attending the birthday for the first time for a very long time. And then he celebrated it with Sophia and Imade and the rest of his crew, because if you look at the video you will see even his lawyer was there and the uncle. Please, there's nothing people will tell me. This Davido's uncle is a vibe. I'm telling you guys the truth. That man is a happy soul. Because tell me why he's always happy and dancing up and down. Like, I like that kind of uncle that is always ready to be there for you every time. Like, they live peacefully. They are always happy. Like, you can even see the decorations they made for Imade. It was themed Imade's Enchanted Forest, and the decoration was very nice and beautiful. I give it up to the person that decorated the place for her birthday. It was so nice and also satisfactory for children, especially all those children that fantasize Disney. It was giving that Disney fantasy. So guys, this was how that place was, decorated, and most of Davido's family were there. And I also give it up to the mother too, who also, put more effort in the birthday stuff. And that girl is all grown, and I like the way that girl behaves, even the way she was, comporting herself all through that birthday. She was really, Sophia did a great job there. Only that I don't know what is going on between her and Davido, but then that young girl Imade, she's a very nice and some kind of reserved girl. Do you understand? So guys, this was how he attended, and you can all see how happy Davido was in this video, and how happy he is, to reunite with his daughter again. And there is nobody that is giving me the vibe I want in that very video. That's his uncle, that governor. That man is always a vibe, believe me. And there is no occasion that the video is hosting that he will not come and do that his routine dance stuff. He is always doing that, and I can see that guy is that man is really close with Davido. Like, their uncle, and their uncle's vibe is everything. And I also saw Sophia's uncle too, the Dele Momodu. He was also present there. And they weren't even doing like there's anything that happened. They were just playing everything maturely. And that's what we needed, so that media will just rest for a while. So they feel the man's dance. They feel So guys, this is the gist I brought for you guys. And if you're new here, please kindly hit the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber that has been coming by, thank you guys so much. Let's keep growing together. And if you're new, please stick together, watch, like, comment, and share, and so that every other person will enjoy this entertainment gist with yours. And see you guys in my next video.